Hey, Aaron.
Make a snow cave. There's a little bear. I wouldn't be all that little. Should be able to make some on that pile because nothing ever snow.
What pile?
This one too. This one's got a couple things in it. You can make a snow cave. Show them our pipe. See your pipe? Crack.
No, we can't see it here. I don't think you can tell. There, maybe.
We just fixed this pipe that was out there frozen and cracked. At least we think we fixed it.
We hope.
I don't see the guidance out there yet.
Try to see how much snow we have here. There's our porch, and there's the snow. Right up to the porch. Aaron, climb up the mountain. Come. Come put the. Come put Ben in the mountain. There she goes.
Up.
Here comes Ben.
I'm sliding down. Get up on top of it, you can slide down.
Pick up his halibut so you can see a little better. There we go. Hey, Ben. All smiles. Where's Aaron? Hey!
Slide down over here, or slide down right here.
Whoa, what a run. What a
Back
run.
it down a couple times. You gotta do it 2 or 3 times.
With our little sled buried, I can see it. A little bump in the snow.
You see a little bump in the snow and you think that's a sled?
What? Because I remember sled being right about there.
Oh.
I hadn't buried it when we made a snowman.
Okay, and keep sliding down.
The snowman around all of a sudden. But I tell you what, pulling somebody in a sled with this stuff, you can't do it.
Aaron, Ben wants to go.
Playhouse.
Ben wants to go.
Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Go, 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 go. Woo!
Watch, Dad, watch.
Okay.
Whoa.
Well,
Go back on, he wants back on.
Is it all fixed? That easy, huh?
Achoo!
What do you think?
well,
Hey,
Yeah, we're gonna have
I'm right back here. He climbed up this way.
He's trying, huh? Aaron's full of shoots and oh dears all day. Oh shoot. Oh dear. What's in there, Aaron? What is it? Oh, our Christmas. Yeah, well, we'll just keep it in your playhouse for now. You can see if you can see Ben. Oh, there it goes. There's Dad out there helping us fix that pipe so we can have water in our house.
say hi, Mom. Say hi, Mom.
What, Aaron?
Choo-choo train. Choo-choo train.
Where?
Choo-choo train.
Okay. Well, I lost Ben. Sorry. Almost as tall as Ben, that snow is. Is it working, Rex?
Huh?
Is it working?
Looks good. Right so far.
All right. We're getting out of here then. Can you make it, Aaron? Come on. Come on, Aaron. Can you make it? Well, I can't help you till you come out over here. It's a long way she has to go. It's like a blizzard out here. I better put the date on here so we know what's going on. Let's see the dates. Current.
Keep coming, Aaron. Keep coming.
1993, a record-setting year. Come on, Aaron. Let's look at a close-up on. How you doing, Aaron? You making it? Gosh, you can see the end. Come on, Aaron. Come on, Aaron. Watch out for that pole. Oh, I lost her. Okay. Say farewell to the truck as it heads out this long, lonely, snow-packed, isolated road. Car said they never did quite come pick up yet.
We gotta get them in a week or so. Next week.
Next week they'll come. There's Rex. What do you gotta say about this weather, Rex?
I hate it.